Okay guys, wideband installed. Now we got exactly reading. I'm gonna leave it like around here to get the reps with the L3 ratio. That's gonna be no problem with my tuner. Yeah, really kind of simple installation. Yeah, let me show you how I pass the cables. Right here, I put it right here. It's a really long cable, really long. It came from down over there. This is the plug right here. Yeah, and just pass it through that grommet over there. You see it? That grommet right here, right there. Yes, yes, through there. More clear, right here, right there. Yeah, and basically that's it. For a good reading of your engine will be perfect. Now I can tune by myself, but I'm not a tuner yet. Thank you for watching. Wideband installation on a Core J series. Jesus is the King, Hesperia, California. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching.